We might as well do the full chart brief, eh?
Okay.
So we'll be doing the Moorabbin 35 RNAV, which is dated the 1st of March 2018. The ATIS is 1209, which we've dialed up. TOW will be 1230. We don't need the service movement, and we'll need to go eventually to 1357. We'll be doing a Sector 3 entry. We're going to do a hold?
Not required. We'll go straight to the approach if that's okay with you. Did we do a hold last time?
Did a hold, and that's what got me.
Oh, right. Let's do another hold then.
Let's do a hold, okay. So it's going to be a Sector 3 entry. We'll be within 30 degrees.
Yeah.
So we can just join the hold.
Okay.
And overhead the aid, overhead the fix. We'll turn left, being 234.
Okay.
And for 1 minute, and then we'll and another left onto 054, which will be the initial approach.
Sorry, the inbound track?
From Sierra Alpha, the inbound track, sorry, which is 054.
Okay.
That's 5 nautical miles, and 2 miles to run to Sierra India. I'll start my descent. And at Sierra India, I'll turn left, heading 344. The minimum safe before Sierra India is 2,600 feet, and after Sierra India it drops down to 1,500 feet. After Sierra Foxtrot, it is the minimum descent altitude, which is 450 with an accurate QNH. Our missed approach will be turn right, track to Sierra Hotel, and then 160, climb to 2,200. Got a few things out of order there, like the minimum altitude, the left turns and the inbound track, but I think I hit them all.
Yep. You can just read it, all the information that's there.
Yeah, the problem was that I started down here. What I've got to remember is 2 miles to run to Sierra India is our top of descent. That's where I got it all wrong last time, because we weren't at 4,000. Now we're at 4,000. I've got it nailed.
Okay. They might ask us to descend due traffic, so you never know.
Right, so we're still on 126. Avalon approach, Bravo Sierra Victor maintaining 4,000.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Avalon approach today. Can you advise what air work you're after?
Just say we are tracking to Sierra Alpha for Moorabbin on it.
34 on descent, 9,000, receive that Alpha.
Didn't hear what you asked me.
Okay, he asked you what airwork are you after?
Bravo Sierra Victor, Melbourne Centre will be performing the 35 RNAV via Sierra Alpha at Moorabbin.
Bravo Sierra Victor, okay, clear to transit the Avalon zone, tracking Avalon, direct to Moorabbin Sierra Alpha, maintain 4,000.
Clear to transit the Avalon zone, tracking Avalon, direct Sierra Alpha, maintaining 4,000, Bravo Sierra Victor. Did I get all of that?
You did. Okay, so we can go straight to Sierra Alpha
after Avalon.
Avalon, yeah.
451, descent 3,000.
Yeah, so what you can do here,
Keeling 150.
so you can activate the approach at overhead Avalon.
Yes.
Or you can just go to the flight plan and remove Moorabbin, because then it's straight to Sierra Alpha anyway.
Let's do it the same way every time.
Okay.
So we'll just go to activate the approach once we're over the top of Avalon.
Runway 18, uniform.
Sierra Victor, will you be inbound on the approach or sector entry at Sierra Alpha?
We'll be doing a sector entry and one hold at Sierra Alpha, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Understood.
Alright, we are 1 mile to
Go.
Avalon.
Yep.
We need to, what do we need to do at Avalon then?
You need to activate the approach.
November Alpha Yankee, just a sector entry, was it?
Yes, sir, November Alpha Yankee.
November Alpha Yankee.
And if I go OBS now...
Well, it's not just going OBS just yet. Right, we got a 5 nautical mile check.
Sorry?
We got a 5 miles prior check.
Okay.
To
Charlie Bravo, decent to 4,000.
That check goes to OBS anyway.
Right.
So it's no use doing OBS now.
Okay.
Charlie Bravo, confirm you should downgrade VFR and descend to what altitude again?
Right, 26 miles to go. And guess what I'm going to do?
Good on you.
Delta Charlie Bravo, understood. You're clear of all that traffic now. Cancel IFR, operate VFR, and leave controller descending as requested. Bravo Sierra Victor, there's no on IFR traffic now. It's all clear.
Copy that, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Yep, that's fine. So we can do whatever we like.
And we've got 12 miles to go. I listen to the AWIS again.
A bit too early.
Still?
Oh, what? Let's see what about that. Okay. So at the moment, we're gonna be at
the runway at 253.
Qantas 454, contact centre on 123.
Okay, so the 5, this is not cumulative, that's why. So.
5:28.
Okay, look at that. So that's 14 minutes, and we're going to do a sector entry and a hold.
Yes.
That will take us another roughly about 8 minutes.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll be outside the top. Okay, and you know, just do a RAM check and say what you want.
Okay. GPS status.
November Alpha Yankee, VFR traffic is now 3 miles north of you, tracking towards your position, showing 2,500 unverified.
November Alpha Yankee.
I'm available.